Doom has been ran on just about everything. Refrigerators, calculators, printers, pregnancy tests, you name it. There's even this user submission website that shows everything that someone has ran Doom on, and it got me to thinking, what if we could run Doom on a network switch? I mean, I am a network engineer. I like switches because they forward frames and they help me do my job. But what if we could run it on one? Well, that's what this video is about. Stick around. So the first concern is we don't have any video output. The second concern is we can't install another operating system. And the third concern is we can't escape Sandbox. Right now, my primary concern is figuring out what architecture our switch has. And without tearing it down, that's kind of limited, but luckily we can do that pretty easily on the switch's CLI. It looks like we have an ARM v7 Cortex A9. This is the Broadcom XGS switching system on a chip with a 1.25 GHz effective clock. I'm not overly concerned about the no video output because I found this cool little GitHub project called Doom ASCII. It's a pretty neat community project and it allows you to run the Doom engine completely in a terminal. Kind of blew my mind when I seen it, but yeah, that's plenty of what we need. The biggest problem with it is it doesn't actually have an ARM-based binary that they've pre-compiled. Instead, it's all x86. We could fix that though. So starts my journey with compiling as ARM, ARM architecture, it's soft ARM, but yeah, that wasn't too bad. I had a few roadblocks and learned some things, but I did manage to get it compiled. So that brings us to our biggest issue. We can't install another operating system, and EXOS's user land is very locked down. There's only a handful of Linux commands, but it's not really useful. The cool thing is, Extreme left us a nice little debug thing that lets us run shell.py, which can invoke a bash shell, and then from there we can run the Python interpreter. I think you know where this is going, but at least it looks cool on paper. So I did run ls from Python here and actually got an output. The biggest problem we had is mount points, or where we could actually get read-write. Since the switch shows read-write for a lot of directories, it doesn't actually work because Extreme actually masks permissions, even though it says read-write and no execute. So I had to find a way to be able to launch a binary. And I won't go into the details on that in this video, but I did want to at least try a Hello World program just to see if I could get that to work, and I ultimately did get it working. So I built a nice little Hello World script, hello from ARM soft float, and I compiled it and tossed it on the switch. This was very nerve-wracking because I was like, it either will or it won't work. And I spent a lot of time trying to figure out if it worked or not. But ultimately, I found a way around it. So what you're seeing here is actually the switch still. And look at this. Oh yeah, we got some Hello World. Anyway, I went back to Doom compiling now because why not? I wanted to get this working. And I won't go into everything that I did, but yeah, this upcoming clip here is going to show Doom running. Enjoy. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and apologies for not posting as of late. Been studying for some exams and also doing quite a bit of work outside of labbing things up. I haven't forgot the private LTE stuff, and I'll continue to start doing some cool stuff with that. It's just I'm also very slow at uploading. But if you like the channel, give us a sub and maybe reach out and let me know what you think, and stick around and we'll do some more fun stuff in the future. Thank you.